Okay, going to your question now, why is it when you install Unichip, umalakas yung kotse when you tune? Once upon a time, tuning refers to... How old are you?
29, sir.
What's your first car?
FX.
Tama na ako? Diesel?
Gasoline.
Gasoline?
Yeah. Okay.
Diba, ganun yung FX mo. Ayan. Ayan. Dito. May kable yan. Hinuhatak-hatak na mekaniko. Pag kinalas yung filter, may karburador kang ganyan. Tama?
Tama, sir.
May pinapalitan at may screwdriver dyan sa loob. Yan yung once upon a time. This is tune up. Yan yung tinatawag na tune up. Kasi lumuluwag yung spring. Yung jetting yan, may spring yan lumuluwag yan. So every time you have to reset it para tumama yung takbo, tumama yung...
So ganyan din yung ginagawa sa motor, sir?
Yes, sa motor yun. Tune up ng motor, ina-adjust yung carburetor. This is tune up. This is somewhat also passable as tuning. Because when you say tuning, ang unang lumalabas sa utak ng Pilipino, gitara eh. Ang ginagawa mo doon. Di ba? Laro ka lang laro. Hindi mo naman ginagawa, pero lumuluwag. So that's tuning. Tuning is, for all intents and purposes, trying to get the best performance through adjustment. Sa makina, ito ang ina-adjust sa carburetor. Sa gitara, yung anim na yan, di ba? Sa bagong makina ngayon, wala ka na pwede galawin. There is no screw to adjust. There is nothing for you to pee here. Everything is done through the computer, which is where Unichip comes in. Tuning, when it comes to cars, refers to changing primarily one of two things for gasoline. Amount of fuel when spark plug fires. All over the world, I don't care if it's a McLaren, it's a BMW, ito yun, amount of fuel, kailan pumunta ng spark plug. This is what determines how much power a car makes. And ito yung ginagalaw pag nagtutong.
Hindi, kapag sa engine belt, sir, is a timing chain.
Fixed yun eh, wala kang magagawa dyan eh. It's really like that. Either the timing is correct or it's not.
Para sa camshaft yun, sir.
That's camshaft. That's camshaft timing. Ito, this is ignition timing. Magkaiba yun. In the engine right now, there's cam timing, there's variable valve timing, but all those are mechanical. Hindi siya through electronic. Ito, yung spark plug, kailan pinupunta po yung spark plug, that's an electronic control. There's a signal from the computer box that goes to the spark plug na, iputok mo pag nandito yung cylinder, or iputok mo pag nandito sa mataas.
So, siya din-determine kung saan yung combustion nangyayari.
Yes. Combustion doesn't happen. This is the internet animation that everybody knows. Everybody knows that. On the internet, you'll see when the piston goes up here to the very top, then pumupunta yung spark plug.
Yes.
Wrong. It doesn't work that way. Hindi pa dapat nandyan sa pinakataas. Bakit pa lang? Maybe somewhere here. After the middle, then you fire it. The earlier that you can fire this na hindi tumutok, the more power you make. Because pag pinutok mo yan, ang nakikita ko sa internet, di ba? Bang! Parang sumabog. But if you slow that down, if you look at it through a slow motion camera in milliseconds, it will spark, then palaki ng palaki ng palaki ng palaki. Para posporo. Pag sinindi mo, di ba?
So, from holding after the middle,
Pataas dapat. But this has to be all the way up.
oh,
It cannot be on the way down.
oh,
Before it goes up to the very top, dapat you should be fire the spark plug already. Because from the time here up to here, may time yan eh. And this one, may time din yan eh.
so calculated through ECU yun, sir?
Yeah. For every...
Ano after na combustion tsaka siya?
no, that's too late already. You make no power no more. In the ECU inside, you have something that looks like an Excel table. So this is normally RPM. Pag spark plug siya, this is degrees of timing. May mga numero to. May pre-program na siya sa loob. So what Unichip does is, this is the ECU. Assuming there's a value of 10 inside, then it goes to the engine here. Extra 10s. Unichip is here in the middle. So what happens is, if this is the value of 10, it goes to the Unichip. Unichip throws out the value of, say, 12. Advanced timing. This is called tumalaki numero is called advanced timing. Lumini, it's called retard timing. 99% of the time, you want advance.
Yes, sir.
Not retard. Pag retard, ibig sabihin, nasa taas na, hindi pa puputok, wala na yun. You don't make no power. Lalabas lang yung fuel na hindi nasusunog.
Oh. Ay, yung sinasabi nila pupunta sa catalytic converter.
There will always be fuel that comes out of your exhaust. Yung lumalabas na gases mo is 14 parts air. Ideally, 14 parts air is to 1 part fuel. Hindi siya pwede maging all air and no fuel. You cannot be. Meron talagang fuel. And what the catalytic converter does is it takes this extra fuel and breaks it apart into something else. Kasi the fuel is, there's a lot of chemicals, particularly NOx. It's a nitrous oxide. This is not the one in Fast and the Furious. No, that's not it. NOx particles. Then you break it down ideally into CO2 and ideally H2O dapat. Ideally, this is what's supposed to happen, but of course it doesn't. Because there's also carbon here, which gets trapped. So that's what the cat does. It converts this. This is harmful, converts it to something less harmful.
Less harmful. Less harmful pa rin.
Well, not harmful if you're a plant. Kaya tutok ng bucho sa halaman, okay lang. Buhay yun. Kaso may abo, kaya barado din. So, wala din. So, Unichip basically advances the timing, and what we can do is also add and subtract fuel. Almost all the time also, we tend to subtract fuel from the stock parameter because ang labas nito, ideally it's supposed to be 14:1, but that doesn't happen. Stock cars are always, say, 12:1, sometimes 11.5:1, 12.5:1.
Ibig sabihin, sir, rich.
Rich, yes, this is rich. Yes. Stock cars are almost always rich. Why is it like that? It's because running richer is safer and you can get away with not maintaining the car for a longer time. Rich ka.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, mas nag-install na yung Unichip, mas magiging fuel efficient.
Yes, because we are minusing fuel. But not just that one, but the biggest reason is before you save your pedal. You step on the pedal this much, it's about 20%, you get say 20 horsepower. After tuning, you step on the pedal 10%, you get the same 20 horsepower.
Oh!
Yeah.
So talagang may fuel efficient siya pa. Kasi nakikita din ako yung mga OBD2 controller, sir. Plano ko din bumili dati.
Throttle control.
Mga throttle control na nakikita ko na kasi sabi nila plus 10 horsepower. And then sabi nila na mas fuel efficient daw.
Also.
So yung iba yun ang hinahanap, sir. Asan yung dyno sheet na nagpa-plus 10 horsepower nga?
A throttle control does what it says. It controls the throttle. Because why do they have to do that? Sige, sa FX mo, once upon a time, di ba? Yung makina, may kable ka papunta doon sa pedal.
Yes, sir.
Hinahatak-hatak ng mekaniko yan para mag-rev. Ngayon, wala nang ganun. Right now, what you have is a pedal na may called the potentiometer. Parang volume ng radyo. Then what you have here dun sa throttle is a motor that opens and closes this. So it's a flap. It's a flap that's closed, then once the motor goes in, it opens, air goes in.
Ano parang yung MAF sensor, sir?
Hindi, this is a throttle. MAF sensor is different pa. Your car does not have a MAF sensor.
Oh, bakit yung iba, sir, meron?
Yung iba meron, yung iba wala.
Ano ba kakaiba nila, sir? Kailangan ba nung...
If your car doesn't have that to begin with, then you don't need it.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, so ito yun. This is the electronic throttles. What happens now, let's say you step on this one 20%, this sucker only opens 15%. So obviously there's a disconnect from the tapak mo na dapat expect mo ganun kalakas na hindi or ganun kabilis na hindi. Ito yun.
Tapos napanood ko rin sa video din, sir, na parang depende sa RPM kung kailan siya magiging responsive.
Yes, normally it's 30% up, 30% of tapak, and then 3,000 RPM up. Then you'll get power. This is the cutoff point ng delay. Why it's done is because it's based on the assumption na pag mahina lang tapak mo, at saka hindi ka mabot ng 3,000 RPM, you're more concerned about tipid. And you don't need all that power anyway. So making the car slower will make it a little bit more fuel efficient.
Pero sir, ang hirap kasi pag nasa lower RPM ka, parang hindi mo kontrolado, parang kinukulang ka.
Oh, kaya nga, that's why you step on slower.
Kasi lakasan mo din yung ano mo.
Oh, yeah, yes, you know. Because the assumption is na pag kulang ka, you step on it more. Your car runs up to 6,000 RPM. You have another 3,000 RPM to go. This is where you make your maximum power.
Pero of course, sir, as a driver, gusto mo yung responsive.
Yes.
Ano yung gagawin?
Kaya nga, so this is why we have a solution for that one. With Unichip, we're also able to make the throttle 1:1. So if you step on the throttle 30%, ang bukas niya 30% din.
Nice. Yes. Ayun ang alam ko talaga, sir. Kasi unlike dati nga, parang sa yung hawak mo headphones, parang kung ano yung tama ko, yung talaga ibibigay niya. Parang kapisado mo na saan yung responsiveness niya. Pero sir, ang anong masasabi mo sa kumbaga sa daily driver lang, anong mga modes na
What we're gonna do with that one? Intake. So almost every car for a daily driver, basic upgrades is always an intake, exhaust, which particularly now it consists of intake, headers, big pipe, muffler. Out of itong tatlo, ito lang ang may lakas. Itong dalawa, wala.
okay.
Pag nagkamali ka pa sa size nito, minus yung power.
Dahil yung katawag nila parang hangin na hindi daw sabay-sabay lumalabas.
No, it has to do with the air-fuel ratio. If you make this too bigger, nagli-lean.
Kasi yung pinapasok niya, masyadong maluwag, yung lalabas, kaya papasok niya mas madami yung hangin.
So there's more air. There's a certain mixture, kasi di ba, air goes into the engine and air goes out. Here, there's a certain mixture where the engine makes maximum power. Pag masyado maluwag to, ganun din. This goes out too much, air comes in too much. See, the mixture is changed. It's the mixture inside the engine that changes, that determines power. Hindi siya sungaw, hindi siya back pressure, none of that nonsense. No, it's this one. Air-fuel ratio of the engine itself, inside the cylinder.
Pag yung header, sir, pinalitan, gano'ng kalakas ang ilalakas ng kotse at bakit siya lumalakas?
On your car, it's around 3 to 4 horses. It's kind of big for a 1.2. And this is the reason why. You've seen your stock header. It looks like that. This is your catalytic converter. If you break that apart, mukha siyang screen sa loob. Think of the header as kalsada. So, ganyan. Maiksi yung kalsada, tapos nagiging one-way.
Mas sisikip.
Yung header, you've seen the itsura. It's longer, smoother, bago nagiging one-way. You don't need any kind of degree to know na mas mabilis yung kotse sa ganung kalsada kaysa dito.
Tama, sir.
Kaya lumalakas dahil. So, the flow is better. But too much, yun nga eh. Too much flow is bad. So if let's say with this one, we put the header already and then we make your pipe there 3 inches. Biglang lumaki yung kalsada.
So, hindi na lang yung mga PO.
Ihina.
Okay lang yun.
Because there's too much flow already. And sobrang lean na. And di ba may wire, there's a wire here.
Yes, sir.
That's the oxygen sensor. That's what determines and tells the computer if it's rich or lean.
Tsaka yung 12,000.
So if it's lean, lean. Dagdag gasolina. Lean pa rin, dagdag pa. It will never be rich kasi malaki masyado eh.
Lalakas gasolina.
So, lalaki ng gasolina mo, tapos hihina, there's less power, and then it will forever keep telling you, hey, it's lean, keep adding more fuel, keep adding more fuel. So it's a never-ending loop. So lumalabas, power loss and torque at low RPM in particular. And since mahina, bomba ka ng bomba.